Welcome to Capital Ford's Collision Center, an MPI accredited direct repair shop for all your auto body needs. Whether your vehicle has been involved in a major accident or has suffered damage from everyday driving, we can repair it to its pre-collision condition in our state-of-the-art facility. Our professional trained technicians will get your vehicle back to looking its best. If your vehicle is undrivable, we can help you arrange to have it towed to our auto body repair shop. When you first come in, we provide you with a free estimate which will detail all of the damage we have identified and will include an itemized list of the labor and parts costs. All work is completed at our Winnipeg headquarters, located at 555 Empress Street, right next to Polo Park. We also offer pickup and delivery for added convenience to fit your busy schedule. All vehicles are properly sanitized after repairs to ensure a safe return. For more information on our processes or to book an appointment with us, visit capitalfordwinnipeg.ca or give us a call at 204-975-4809.